Let us find out the five top reasons which indicates the presence of Pitrudosa in our life. Number one, the least one. If an individual or if the whole family is unable to conduct any auspicious function during their lifetime, here it indicates the first level of Pitrudosha. If a family or if many number of family members experiences various type of problems in the married life, like a separation or isolation or death of any partner, it indicates the second level of Pitrudosha. The third one, if there is a delay in getting conceived, or if there is an inability to deliver a baby, or if there is a difficulty in delivering a baby, it indicates the third level of Pitrudosha. Then, if there is a presence of mentally disabled person or a physically disabled person in a family, it indicates the fourth level of Pitrudosha. And in the end, if there is a death happening due to accidents or suicide or any untoward incident like murders, then it indicates a serious level of Pitrudosha. Thank you.